Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I am going to do my hair and makeup later because today is Alex and my 4th wedding anniversary. So we're going out to dinner and it's going to be really fun, and I just can't wait to have a little alone time with my man. But we've been having a blast with Chris here over the past couple of weeks. We've done so much cooking. So we made bows, three different types of bows. There was a breakfast one, like a sausage one, and then a pork one. So we had a really good time making those. They're always so delicious. I will leave the link to the recipe for the dough that we use below. And then we went disc golfing a few times, and I just really like being caddy apparently. So I just carried all the discs and gave them to the guys as they played and helped them find the lost discs. So it's been a really great couple of weeks just spending time outdoors, catching up with Chris, and just taking it easy. So we are making 3 different types of bows. I am dough measurer, Alex is dough roller, Chris is the filler man.
I'm the dough pincher.
The dough pincher. So this is breakfast bow, my favorite of all the bows. So good. That is like a barbecue pork, like an Asian pork.
It's a traditional bow. It's barbecue, Asian barbecue bow. And then this
is the Alex bow.
It's its own thing. I took bratwurst and I decased it, so I just literally squeezed the guts into the pan.
It was gross. We all saw.
It's like popping a meat pimple.
A cup of chicken broth, but it's roasted chicken broth, better than bouillon. Highly recommend. Mom, thanks. Prime rib seasoning, bay leaf, and I wanted to go super savory, and then a lot of pepper to make it nice and.
So we're getting our bow on.
So.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Hi, I'm the creator of the breakfast bow.
Do you want to talk about what just happened over here?
Oh, our $9,000
Oh my god, Alex.
projector that we have now?
Just
Circa
because it was once without
2006.
$9,000 doesn't mean it is
It
still.
originally retailed for $9,000.
The technology has not gotten better. So this is still
I don't
market
know
value.
how you manage.
Since
I think you
2006?
used the fact that Chris was here just to get this thing you wanted.
I would never.
He only spent $400 on it.
Only $7,000 on
No,
it.
I spent $40 and
Only
I got two of them.
$4,000 on it.
There's a store here where people donate used equipment, and long story short, there's a section in that store where if they think the technology is maybe broken, they will just say it's a project and mark it super discount, and they were 50% off. So they were $25, but now BOGO bought one to get one in case the bulb in this one breaks. I don't have to go buy the bulb, which is a couple $100 because I got it for 15 and a whole second working unit with a small blemish on the screen. Probably won't use it because it is actually noticeable. This isn't.
It's a win.
Bow.
It's all over. Bow 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 bow. Bow 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 bow. Bow 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 bow.
I wanted to start the vlog and take you to our anniversary dinner, and there's quite a few things I want to talk about. I actually have an Erin Condren package here, and I'm pretty sure it took like a month to get here. Pretty sure it went missing in the warehouse. I messaged them and they were like, oh yeah, it shipped. And I was like, okay, sure. But I don't even remember what I bought, so we can look through that together and see where the day takes us. All right, let's discover what's inside, shall we? Oh yeah! So I ordered one of their new like pencil cases. So we'll see what that's all about. And then, oh yeah, this is the Hello Kitty collection. So I'll have to like take off this cover thing. But I bought another one of the notebooks. I have the one with her face all over it, so I bought the just simple one. And then I bought a cover. So not a huge order. Don't know why it took so long, but I'm pretty excited about it. I love how they matched the box to the tissue paper. I don't know if that was intentional, but that was pretty cool. So just a simple little Hello Kitty notepad. I use these all the time for grocery lists and like to-do lists and just brain dumps, so we go through these a lot. So I like that they added padding in it, so it's not like super flat or anything. So there's a pocket and then this like panel that you can put pens on, and then an open container. So I think this could be really good even for like a makeup carrying case, so you can put all your makeup here and then your brushes. But I'm going to use it for like a travel supply case, so I can have my adhesive tapes, my pens, and all of that sort of stuff. I'm not doing a lot of traveling right now, but you know, gotta plan for the future, right? So I just finished decorating this planner spread for some photos, some product photos and whatnot, of this month's sticker subscription, and I think it turned out so cute, but of course I would think that. And then you get this cute little pumpkin pen, and then there's some like star moon washi tape, and then the greeting card is thanks for being such a great mummy. I love kawaii Halloween. I like when it's like hella cute and not spooky. That's like my preferred type of Halloween. So since it is our anniversary, Alex came up with this idea on our first anniversary to write in this journal every year about what we've learned about marriage in the past year. So I have some greeting cards here from various holidays and whatnot, and this is the sticky note that I used in my content calendar for the video that he proposed. I thought Uncrate was doing this like subscription box thing, or that was what he told me, and this is the sticky note I used for that, so I thought that was kind of cool. Yeah, so we just write what we thought about our first years, and so I have to figure out what I want to write. We don't read the previous years until after we write the current year. That way it doesn't taint our opinions or affect the way we think. Did I get it right?
Sounds right.
He's just been here the whole time.
What?
Oh, Chris is up there with him, so they're talking together. I'm taking product shots. Turn around. Look at this sneaky snake. Goodbye, Bug. See you later. Nothing changed. He's like, cool. Cool.
Alright, that's what that looks like.
I want to show the chaos that leads into a photo. So this is what it actually looked like. And then I'll include a shot of the photo I ended up with, but it's never quite what it seems, huh? So I've been getting a lot of questions about these headers that I have on all of my notes pages. So there's going to be a new sticker kit coming out soon that has a ton of different ones to choose from. And of course you can use these for like your bullet journal or anything like that. But if you want some cute headers, I'm about to hook you up. Presto changeo. I'm ready for my anniversary dinner. I got this blazer, like old school giant shoulder pad blazer from Goodwill about a month ago and haven't had a chance to wear it. So I'm rocking that, my white shirt, some black jeans, my little like loafer shoes. So I think it has a really cool like 80s grunge big shoulder look. I am vibing it for sure. So we're at dinner and Alex is looking super dapper, I'll show you, but we took a bunch of photos in front of the store. We'll walk by it on the way to our car, but very excited for dinner. That's Alex, my husband. I missed this. I miss like looking kind of nice. Bring it back.
Like knowing you can look pretty.
Like I still have it. I
Yeah.
still have it. God damn it.